Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the wrong password or invalid email error. First, make sure your email is typed correctly and the password matches exactly. Watch for caps and symbols. Next, reset your password if needed. Tap forgot password, enter your email and follow the link to create a new password. Check your email account. Ensure you're using the email linked to your Discord account and that your inbox is accessible. Privacy tip: only reset your password through the official Discord app or the website to avoid phishing scams. Quick fix: if our error proceeds, try logging in through Safari on your iPhone. Clear the app cache by reinstalling down Discord. Contact Discord support if your email or account appears unrecognized, and that's it. Subscribe for more Discord